Oh, your one's gone out, Cody. What are you going to do? Lois, what's your name?
Look out! Your water was out. What are you saying? Your night vanish on.
Just drop them when they burn out, Chloe, okay?
I know.
Good girl.